plug. Oh, that's a huge combo. Okay, he has a huge combo. Bing bang bong. Watch out for that combo. Hello, little cat. Are you here to cheer me on for my final Dark Souls 3? Yes, yes. The cat is here. I'm sorry, I will be taking no more fans. No more. I have to do this on my own now. Oh, yes, yes. He's like, I want something. What do you want? What do you want? Fluffy baby? Hold on, he's pulling on my shirt. What? Wanna come up on the chair? Hold on. Sorry! Oh! He wants pets. He wants pets. Hold on, let me pet the car, and then we will continue. What's up? Hello. Did you hear my cat sneeze? Yeah, he sneezed. Yeah, that was John Cat. John Cat's sneeze. Wait, Cece, would you like to come in? Give me a pep talk? Hold on, I need to replug my... Okay, I'm in a voice channel, Cece! Yeah, that wasn't me sniffing, that was my cat. that was my cat. That was a cat sneeze. A rare cat sneeze. Oh, as soon as I plug in my... What is it? As soon as I plug in my thing, the cat comes to the desk